So this video is about learning about complex numbers, and this is a series of videos in learning about the engineering mathematics. So this is a series of videos in learning about what is known as engineering mathematics. So what is complex number? So suppose if you are having a number which is given by x squared is equal to -1, so it's not possible to clearly define the real part of this number, or to find the real roots. So in such cases, such numbers can be given by, or the equations in which it's not possible to find only real roots. So you will face a problem where you will need a specific way to represent such number, where the number will be having both real part and it will be having both imaginary part. So if you are having a number of u which is given by xy, then the number u will have a real part and it will have an imaginary part, and it's possible to write such numbers in such a way that u is equal to x plus jy. So the first number can be given as u1. So if you're having a complex number, so it's possible to define u is equal to my complex number, and this is how I am defining my complex number. So this is the definition of the complex number. So u is equal to x plus jy. So if I'm having two numbers, so next I will discuss about how to do the addition and the subtraction of the complex numbers. So it's possible to define a complex number given by u is equal to x plus iy. So it's also possible to define the same number as u is equal to x plus jy, where I can take my imaginary part by defining it both by using I and j, while in some of the electrical engineering it's defined by using j, because I can be cause confusing with the current notation which you are using, and the value of the I square is equal to -1. So if I'm having a one number which is given by u1 is equal to x1 plus jy1, and the other number given by u2 is equal to x2 plus jy2. So it's possible to do the addition of both these numbers such that u1 plus u2, the addition of two complex numbers will give something like x1 plus x2 plus jy1 plus y2, which is simple algebraic addition, while the u1 minus u2 will give something like x1 minus x2 plus jy1 minus y2. And if I'm doing a product of these two numbers u1 into u2, so the product is a little bit complex, and what it will give is my x1 plus jy1 into x2 plus jy2. So what this will lead is x1 into x2 plus jx1 into y2 plus jx2 into y1 plus j square y1 y2. If I'm simplifying this, what I will get is x1 into x2 plus j into x1 y2 plus x2 y1 minus y1 y2. So this is what is my u1 into u2. So this is the addition of complex numbers, while this is a subtraction, and at the same time this is a product of two complex numbers. So this was the first lecture, and this was just an introduction into knowing about the complex number in the basic ways, and also how to do the addition, subtraction and the product of complex numbers.